A New York Times report quoting US and Ukrainian officials suggests that Russia has assembled a force of 50,000 soldiers, including North Korean troops, in preparation for an assault aimed at reclaiming territory in the Kursk region, which was recently seized by Ukraine. According to reports, Pyongyang is seeking to learn modern warfare techniques from its Russian allies, strengthening military ties between the two nations. This aligns with North Korea's broader goal of reducing its reliance on China, its longtime ally. Russian President Vladimir Putin recently signed a strategic partnership treaty with North Korea, which includes provisions for mutual defense.
Там новизны-то никакой нет. Вот кто бы чего ни говорил, все, что было, практически все, что было прописано в договоре между Корейской Народно-Демократической Республикой и Советским Союзом, все просто с новыми какими-то нюансами воспроизведено в новом договоре. Да, конечно, и направлено это на обеспечение безопасности в регионе, ну и нашей взаимной безопасности.
Meanwhile, sources indicate that more than 10,000 North Korean soldiers have been sent to fight in Kursk. These troops, equipped with Russian-provided weapons, include machine guns, sniper rifles and anti-tank missiles, are expected to operate in their own units while wearing Russian uniforms. Meanwhile, Ukrainian forces have launched a surprise military incursion into Russia's Kursk region, a strategically significant area known as the Soviet Union's crucial World War II victory over Nazi Germany in 1943. The offensive, which began on August 6th, was planned in secrecy, masking troop movements as reinforcements for military exercises. Unlike Russia's heavily fortified defenses in regions like Donbass, Kursk was less prepared for such an attack. In an unexpected move, President Putin cut off Kursk's acting governor, Andrei Smirnov. Smirnov revealed that 28 villages have been captured and over 2,000 Russians were missing in Ukrainian-occupied territories. The operation was aimed at disrupting Russia's plans to target Ukraine's Sumy region and pushing Russian artillery and aviation away from the border. While the operation was boosted Ukraine's military position and morale, it has also undermined Western calls for peace talks, strengthening President Zelensky's diplomatic standing. Though it hasn't yet forced Russia to withdraw troops from Donbass, the operation has had notable political and psychological impacts. The outcome of the Battle of Kursk is still unfolding, but Ukraine's short-term gains and Russia's losses are clear.